Marcopila. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hello guys, now we have Hello everyone, my name is Gero Eledriri and my friend is
Mary Tupalesi.
we are from Rehoboth Senior High School.
Now we will present about our new research.
The influence of Gandaria sap, Boya Macrophylla green, and aloe vera extract as one healing medicine. Let's check it out. In our first slide, it's about introduction and purpose. Do you ever see Gandaria? I am pretty sure that you ever see it. Gandaria is a species from the Anacardiaceae family. It can grow both in the highlands and lowlands. However, it will be better in highlands. It has strong stem and reaches a height of 27 meters and a diameter of 55 centimeters. The fruit is roughly around with a diameter of 3.5 centimeters and 3.4 until 5. Green when young and turning orange when ripe. The skin of fruit are edible, juicy, sweet, or sour.
Aloe vera is commonly used as hair fertilizer when healing and skincare because it contains limin, sapolin, barbaloid, anthraquinonoid, barbaloid, isarbarbaloid, anthraxerol, etc. The purpose of this research is to make one healing medicine from Gandaria sap and aloe vera. In research methodology, we will tell you about tools and material and procedure. The tools used in this research were blaster surgical tools, knife, blender, filter, and plastic bundles. Then the tools used in this research were Gandaria sap, aloe vera, alcohol, and body, feet, anesthetic, and mice. There are 4 procedures in this research. Extraction of Gandaria sap, Boya Macrophylla green, aloe vera extract, making one healing medicine. Test the effectiveness of one healing medicine. Result and analysis. Simple preparation. The Gandaria sap is mixed with 70% alcohol so that the sap does not freeze. Because aloe vera extract is carried out using the extraction method. Extraction is the process of taking or separating certain substances or components from a mixture or raw material. Blend the aloe vera gel and extract it from the impurities.
Making one healing medicine. To make one healing medicine means the prepared ingredients, namely Gandaria sap and aloe vera extract in a 50-50 ratio. Then add 2 tablespoons of 17% alcohol and 1 until 2 drops of henbadi. The function of adding alcohol as a solvent and the function of adding henbadi to provide fragrance. Then mix until all the ingredients are homogeneous. Test the effectiveness of one healing medicine. To test the effectiveness of the drug, we ask white mice. Mice are widely used as laboratory animals because mice have the same physiological characteristics as humans. After observing it for 3 days, incision had started to dry out and get smaller because flavonoid contained in Gandaria sap, namely to accelerate wound healing by reducing oxidative stress in wounds, and also the function of adding aloe vera to reduce inflammation in the skin.
Conclusion: based on the research that has been carried out, it can be concluded a mixture of Gandaria sap and aloe vera can be used as one healing medicine.
Future work, we hope that through this research we can care more about caring for plants in our environment because these plants each have their own benefits. These are the results of our research presentation.
Thank you.